I can't believe that girl they won't let me in the house, yo. She got change the lock on me, dog, and it's a cold outside. Jesus, peace, this will never end. My God. You know what? Let me call mommy. Hello? Hello, mommy? Hello? Hi, hello? Mommy, you can't hear me? Mommy? Hello? Mommy, you can't hear me? Hello? Hi, hello? God bless. Good afternoon. How can I help you? Yes. Yeah, man, I'm me, man, Paul. Hi, how you doing? Paul? Jesus, peace. I must about 2 years now me not hear from you. Mommy, I know 2 years now you not hear from me. About 3 months. And that no bad. I could have catch sugar. I could have dead. My pressure could have go up. And I could have dropped down and dead from where I go on with that scandal back issue at Jamaica. Jesus, peace. So, mommy, anyway, I just call you to tell you I love you. You just call me to tell me say you love me? Paul, I'm hungry, Eh? No, mommy, I'm not hungry. Paul, I'm money I beg, I only $10 me having in my bosom now, and you not get it from me today. No, mommy, I no money I want to borrow, mommy. Lord Jesus Christ, Paul. Paul, you're dead, Paul. Lord, God, don't tell me say you're dead, Paul. No, nobody tell me say you're dead, Father Jesus. Mommy, me not dead, mommy, no. Lord God, Paul, you have a STD? Eh? You have a STD, Pumpy? No, mommy, me not have no STD. Mommy, it's one thing. I just call you to tell you I love you. No. I must something why you call me to tell me say you love me because you not call me at all. Alright? So I try to find out what. Oh my God, come on, mommy, man. I just love you and miss you, you know? Paul, please, may I beg you, close your eye, cause we are going to pray. Dear Lord, may I ask you, please forgive Paul. Because it look like same day I work a thief the people and things, Lord God. I don't know if I'm a back a thief, back thief. Mommy, what make a thief from the work? No, mommy, them not catch me a thief, nothing. Oh, you never thief, nothing. Then I what the problem? You call me out of the blue like that. Oh. Okay, Father God, me think so wait there. Okay, so that's it. So how is Denise? Alright, everything good with she? She okay, right? Alright, but that's a call you because Denise put me out to change the lock and key and everything. Me and I go through a little problem. Oh, me didn't know say something wrong why you call me. So, you think I can come over there and spend the night? Me did just know. So I might ask you something. You never called Tone first and say him could I do for you? Who's Tone? Hello? Hello? Sure. Damn bright. You lucky see it's not an upgraded phone I can block you.